Okay, we're gonna go. I'm gonna show you how to load Windows 10 from the Microsoft site. It's all free to download it and load it, but then you got to activate it. So that's where they're gonna get you. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna erase it on my computer. I'm gonna erase it and do a fresh load straight off the internet. But the best way to do it is to get the little thumb drive, that USB thumb drive, and then save a copy of it. They update this Windows twice a year, and usually it's around April, and then around October, November time frame. And the number, somewhere there's a number there. I'll show you there. That's the year. The first number is the year. It starts with 20. That's the. I think it says 21 for the newest one. Let's see here. Let's get in there. Okay, you type in your Google. Type in Microsoft Windows 10 ISO. Windows 10 ISO. So I already had it typed there. Okay. Download Windows 10 disk image. That's what we want. I hope it's bright enough on here. I'm going to run it without the light on. Okay, we got to download the tool. There's a tool here somewhere. I haven't been in here in a while. Let me look around a little bit. Here's the tool. It's down. I scrolled down a little ways. Download the tool now. I'm going to say yeah. Okay, she's downloading over in the corner over here. See what happened to her. Open. There we go. Alright, I tapped open on that tool in the bottom corner there, and it now it's starting to open. I'm going to say yes here. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and go over to my Patreon account down in the description down there, and you'll see my Patreon link. You leave a donation, I'll answer all your questions. Okay, it's getting a few things ready, it says. This tool is going to walk us through the whole process here. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Watch the videos at the end here. Watch this one to the end. Watch the videos that pop up on the side there. And go in my playlist. You can see more about Windows tips. I don't know how long this is going to take. I might do a jump start here. I might pause and come back. Let me see if it's going to take too long. Right now I'm running. I'm going to lose. See, I'm going to do a fresh load on this, so I'm going to lose my apps that I got. I had Windows 2000. Oh no, Office 2003 running on Windows 10, and it runs perfect. You can pick up a copy of that real cheap on the internet, probably on eBay. Office 2003. So I'll have to load that later on. Try to stay with it here and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're going to say accept. If you want to read through all that, go ahead. You got a ton of time. Oh, it's going to give me if I want to keep my, my Office, my apps and stuff, it'll tell me I think it's going to give me a choice here. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe it clean. It's a good idea to wipe your computer clean like this, like, I don't know, once a year. I'd do it more often than that, though, like twice a year. And everything runs a lot smoother, and reload your apps. And do the same thing on your smartphone, on your Android or iPhone. If you go down in settings, it's going to give you a spot where you can do a factory reset. And when you reset everything, it's going to lose your apps, but trust me, it runs a lot smoother. It's going to run a lot smoother, but you have to go in. You're going to go in your app store and get your apps again. And you won't lose your operating system, whatever you're on. If you're on Android, 9, 10, I don't know where you're at, you won't lose that. It'll just reset everything. Okay, it's still looking around. I hear the fan blowing in the laptop here. I'm going to stay with it for now. Here we go. Upgrade this PC now? Or do I want, it's saying create an installation. See, that's what I was telling you. On the USB, you can create an installation, a thumb drive. It's going to have the Windows on it. But I'm going to say, update this PC now. We're going to go to that next. We're going to hit next. I don't know what it's doing yet. It hasn't asked me. Oh, it didn't ask me for an edition of Windows 10. So I don't know if I'm going to pause here. It's going to take a while now. Let me see. See how long this takes. My internet connection ain't super fast. I went to the if you don't have internet at your house, you can go to the local library and take your thumb drive with you. And I downloaded it there before. The Microsoft, what I just showed you, Microsoft Windows 10 ISO. You want the ISO. That's the image of Windows 10. You want to put it on your thumb drive. You're going to download, if you go to the library, you're going to download that tool I just showed you. Download the tool on their computer. Don't worry about it. Just don't let nobody see you doing it. And then use that tool, and it's going to walk you through it. And it took me about a half an hour, 45 minutes to download the whole thing. Okay, I'm going to try and hit pause here, and I hope I don't lose everything. And jump back. It's going to be a jump start, so I'll come back in a little bit. Here we go. It's going to jump forward.